Hello everyone, I am Amudavalli, your Maths teacher. Welcome to Ammu Simple Maths. Through this video, I am going to teach you question number 13, exercise 10.2 from your NCERT textbook, chapter 10 circles. Prove that the opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. See, let ABCD be a quadrilateral. It circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle means it touches the circumference. The four sides of the quadrilateral touches the circumference of the circle at four different points. Say PQRS. Already question number 8 and question number 11 of the same exercise, we have done questions similar to this type. But both the questions we applied 10.2 theorem. Because both the questions are related with the sides, actually length of the sides. But here, when a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, the opposite sides will subtend supplementary angles at the center. See, in order to make you to understand, I have colored in different shades. See, this yellow color, this is the opposite sides are AB and CD. They subtend supplementary angles. That means angle AOB and angle COD together makes 180 degree. And similarly, here BC and AD are the opposite sides. So, AOD and BOC, they will subtend supplementary angles. So, these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So, that only we are asked to prove. So, we can't make use of the 10.2 theorem. So, we please recall this property. Already I have taught you. See, when pair of tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle with the center O that makes the points of contact P and Q, then this pair of tangents will subtend equal angles at the center. Once again, I will repeat. When pair of tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle with the center O, then they will subtend equal angles at the center. We are going to make use of this property and we are going to solve this question. Okay, now let us get into the solution. First, let us list down what is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral, circumscribes the circle, that is the four sides touches the circle at points P, Q, R and S. And the circle is C with the center O and radius R. Okay. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove the opposite sides, they will subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. So, symbolically we can write angle AOB plus angle COD equal to 180 degree and angle AOD and angle BOC. See, I have shown with green color. That is BOC equal to 180 degree. For that, we have to do a simple construction. So, we have to join the diagonals. So, AC and BD. And also join the center O with the points of contact P, Q, R and S. So, we have joined the diagonals and we have joined the center with all the points of contact OP, OQ, OR and OS. Okay. Now, let us start the proof. we know that P, Q, R, S are the points of contact, and A, B, C and D are the external points. So if A is an external point, then AP and AS are the tangents, two tangents. This pair of tangents, they subtend equal angles at the center. So let this angles be, see, A from external point A, the two tangents are subtending equal angles at the center. So let it be angle 1 and let it be angle 2. And similarly, from B, the two tangents are drawn. The two tangents, that is BP and BQ, subtend equal angles at the center. Let it be angle 3 and angle 4. And similarly, from the external point C, two tangents are drawn. They subtend equal angles. Let it be angle 5 and angle 6. Similarly, from D, two tangents are drawn. They subtend equal angles at the center. So let it be angle 7 and angle 8. Okay. We know that the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So that's what I explained here. So this only we are going to make use. So you can underline. This is the property we are going to make use and we are going to prove this. Okay. So that implies angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4 and angle 5 will be equal to angle 6 and angle 7 equal to angle 8. So since A is an external point, so that subtend equal angles at the center, nothing but angle 1 equal to 2, and B is from B is an external point, so it subtend equal angles, it's nothing but 3 and 4, and C is an external point, and from that the tangents they subtend equal angles 5 and 6, and D is an external point. So from point D, two tangents they subtend equal angles, nothing but 7 and 8. Okay. So let it be result 1. Now if you observe this figure, the sum of the angles at a point. So the sum of the angles subtended at the center will be 360 degree. So that concept we are going to make use. So the sum of angles at a point equal to 360 degree. So therefore angle 1 plus angle 2, all the 8 angles sum, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 equal to 360 degree. Okay. See, we have to show the opposite sides only subtend supplementary angles. Suppose if you want to show that AOB and DOC together 180 degree means we have to concentrate on the angles 2, 3 and 6, 7. So 2, 3 and 6, 7 we can concentrate. So we can write from 1. See 1 equal to 2. So 1 also you can write 2 itself, angle 2 plus 2. And angle 3 equal to 4. So this 4 also you can write as angle 3 itself. and 5 equal to 6. So angle 5 also you can write as angle 6. And angle 7 equal to angle 8. So you can write this 7 also as angle 8 itself. So that is together 360 degree. So that implies 2 times of angle 2 plus 3 angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 equal to 360 degree. So that implies angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 equal to 360 degree divided by 2 is nothing but 180 degree. Okay. Now you see in the figure angle 2 and 3 is nothing but AOB. So that implies this is angle AOB and this angle 6 and 7 is nothing but that is COD. Angle COD equal to 180 degree. So we have arrived at the result, the proof. What we are asked to prove, that we have proved. The opposite sides AB and CD subtend supplementary angles with the center, that is AOB plus COD equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove, what is that? AOD, angle AOD plus angle BOC also 180 degree. Hence, we have proved. I hope you have understood. It's a very simple concept. So watch several times and practice well. It will be very easy for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you, students.